Hello guys, this is Anurag Srivastava and today I am going to read these Java books. I mean computer application with Bluesy. This is ninth class book of the ICSC board and um, the book name is Logics. And today I am going to read Introduction to Object Oriented Programming Concepts. Okay. Hello students. Welcome to the exciting world of computer applications. You must have heard people talking about using an app, application, or a program, but what does it precisely mean? In simple words, an application allows you to perform a set of a specific task to solve a particular problem. These days, computer applications are used in almost every field: education, banking, engineering, designing, healthcare services, and so forth. Computer applications are written using the block of codes known as programs. Creating a computer program can be like making a recipe for any dish. For any dish, as in both the cases, you provide a set of instructions on what to do, how to do, and when to do. You get the desired output. For example, Figure 1.1 demonstrates a recipe to make tomato pasta, where the stepwise instructions and ingredients give you a solution. Was this recipe for tomato pasta? List of ingredients you will need: 500 ml water, 150 gram pasta, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 large chopped onion, 300 gram chopped tomatoes, 100 grams hummus. Then, instructions to make tomato pasta. First, boil water in large pan. Second, add pasta to the boiling water. Third, simmer for 10 minutes and drain the pasta. Fourth, take another pan and fry the cumin seeds in the olive oil for a few minutes. Fifth, add the onions and fry gently. Sixth, stir in the tomatoes and the hummus. Seventh, leave the simmer for 5 minutes. And the eighth and last, add the boiled pasta, mix well and serve. Just like this, programming is also like this. Okay, आगे पढ़ते हैं. Computer, a problem solving machine. You have been hearing all along that computer is a program solving machine. But how exactly does it solve a problem? Well, it solves the problem just like the recipe, with the same two things: a set of instructions and the ingredients. A computer uses the set of instructions and data means ingredients, to solve a problem. When both the aspects are put together, it is called a computer program. Just like the instructions of a good recipe are written clear enough so that anyone can follow them, the programs too are written with step by step instructions so that a computer can follow them to get the desired output. The computer simply executes these instructions in the sequence in which they are occur in the program, one after the other. In the program, the data is processed as per the instructions. These instructions may look like: print your name on the screen, calculate the area of the circle, compute compute simple interest, show your account balance on an ATM machine. The data required for the above instructions may look like your name for print your name on the screen. You need the radius of the circle to calculate the area of circle. Amount, rate and time for computing simple interest. You need the balance amount in my account, your account I mean, to show your bank account balance on your ATM machine. And just like this, a programmer is a person who writes a computer program. Programming is the process of writing a computer program. A programming language is a set of commands and syntax used to create a computer program. Title is 1.1 Evolution of Programming Languages. As we use any common language to communicate with each other, similarly we use programming language to communicate with the computer. Since the invention of the computer, many programming languages have been developed to communicate with it. Let us have a look at various generations of programming languages that have evolved over a period of time. Look this. This is the generations of programming languages. 1.1.1 First generation programming language. A first generation language in the bracket 1GL is the first programming language used by the programmers and is regarded as machine language. Machine language instructions are expressed as binary numbers called machine code. A binary number is made up of just two digits, 0 and 1. Thus, a machine language instruction is just a sequence of zeros and ones. Machine language is low level language. 1.1.2 Second generation programming language. Assembly language is regarded as second generation language in bracket 2ZL. Assembly language uses symbolic operations called mnemonics instead of binary digits. These mnemonics can have up to maximum 5 letter combinations. For example, ADD used to add 2 data items. SUB used to subtract 2 data items. MOV used to move a data item from one location to another. Assembly language is also a low level language. Third generation programming language. A third generation language in bracket 3ZL is close to English in vocabulary. Writing programs in these languages is much easier than using their procedures. These languages are easier to read and require less time to write programs. A sample code snippet is shown below. If age is greater than equal to 18, then print in the double inverted comma candidate can vote, double inverted comma closed. In the other line, else line change, print double inverted comma open, candidate cannot vote, double inverted comma closed. Okay. Third generation programming language are high level programming language such as Fortran, Java, C and C++. 1.1.4 Fourth generation programming language. A fourth generation language in bracket 4GL is closer to natural language, for example English, than a third generation language. The fourth generation languages are non-procedural. This means the programmer specifies what is required as opposed to how it is to be done. In other words, the desired results are outlined by the programmer and the computer is expected to provide them. A sample code snippet is shown below. Select name, age, marks. Other line, from students database without any spaces. In the other line, when marks is greater than 90. In this example, the required series of instructions to get the name, age and marks from the student's database is decided by the computer. The user only specifies what is required. Database languages such as structured query language (SQL), report generators such as Oracle reports and Python are examples of fourth generation languages. Okay. 1.1.5 fifth generation programming language. A fifth generation language in bracket 5GL is designed to solve a given problem using constraints given to the program rather than using an algorithm written by the programmer. The fifth generation languages are mainly used in artificial intelligence. Smalltalk, Prolog, and Mercury are good examples of the fifth generation languages. It is expected that using 5GLS, the computer will directly understand human beings. Understanding the speech would be common to computers, and people would be able to talk to computers. Now, let us learn different ways of writing computer programs. In my next video, I will teach you. I will read next stanza, next title.